Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to warp an image in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder and then click and drag into Photoshop to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now, if we want to warp this image, firstly we can go to Layers. If you don't find Layers, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. And then go back to layer again, and then we can double click to create a new layer. So make sure that we select the layer and go to edit, and we can find transform. Next we can use warp. In the warp option setting, we can choose the grid. For example, we can choose 3x3, or we can choose 4x4, or we can customize the columns and rows. I press OK and go back to default. Next, we can choose the type of warp. For example, we can choose arc, we can choose fisheye, we can choose inflate. And then we can choose the bending ratio. For example, we can change to 13%. And then we can make horizontal distortion to 20 and vertical distortion to 10. If we are happy with this, we can click Confirm to apply the distortion. Now I go back to customize the setting. Actually, we can press Ctrl Z to undo first. Actually, we can click and drag to make warp. For example, I click and drag and control the handle to make distortion. If you want to add more grid, we can press Ctrl to add. So we can change it. So this is how we can warp an image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.